Hey everyone, and welcome to week 3 of your quantitative reasoning course. We do have quite a packed week this week, and I just want to make sure that everyone is on the same page with how the course is structured and what you need to get done. So again, our week runs from 9/2 to 9/8, meaning everything is due by September 8th. Again, if you need to complete lesson 3B, if we click on that, it'll bring us to a new page. We'll scroll down to this middle tab of what do you need to do, and you see you need to complete your preview 3B, complete your lesson, and then practice 3B again. The lesson pages are printable over here if you need them, and the videos below. So let's go ahead and go back to our landing page. Once you complete 3B, 3C, you need to take this Unit 1 quiz lesson 3. Again, you get multiple attempts at this. So take this as many times as you need to practice that material. Once complete, you're going to do your Unit 1 wrap-up. This is going to go over all of the lessons in Unit 1. There is review material linked in here. I'm going to ask that you please take your first attempt by 9/8. I will then review your grades and reopen the assignment on 9/9 so you can take a second attempt. If you do not take your first attempt by the due date, you will only get one attempt at this unit wrap-up. Many of you guys have already submitted your project. If you have not done so already, please make sure that is turned in by 9/8. And also your note pages. So I'm going to ask that you guys upload some of your note pages to D2L or schedule a time to meet with me to do a virtual check. We also have a discussion board and 2 additional lessons. Let's take a look at this mid-semester project discussion board. This is going to help get you guys started for your mid-semester project. What I need you to do, and I will update these dates and times in just a minute, is you are going to think of a question that you are interested in knowing about. So, do adults living in Delaware approve of the job of the United States President? Or how many hours per week do full-time Deltech students typically spend doing schoolwork outside of class? What I'm going to suggest is with your question, make sure you have several follow-up questions. For example, if we look at example 2, maybe we want to also ask, are they full-time students? Are they part-time students? And what programs are they enrolled in? This is going to help you with your analysis further down the road. Now, this discussion board is going to help get you started on your mid-semester project. So let's take a quick look at that so you know what to expect. So we're going to go to our one-stop shop and look at our mid-semester project. I am going to encourage that you guys all watch the overview video, taking a minute to load on my page. So you are going to be asking a survey question to a minimum of 20 people. You will need to include all work and data in your projects. This is all broken up into part, directions, questions, and some helpful tips. There is also a helpful data collection tool here, so that way you can keep all your participants organized. There are printable directions available at the bottom of the page, which is going to be the exact same stuff that you're seeing on your D2L, except you can have a paper copy of it. You are then going to report your results in a formal paper, PowerPoint, and/or video presentation. Now, the expectation for this is that you guys are thoroughly answering all the questions and presenting your data in a well-organized fashion. There are approximately 12 questions for you to answer. Again, please make sure you're writing in full sentences and all of your information is well organized. And if you need any help with this, please make sure you contact me or go to the tutoring center and we can help get you guys all sorted out. Again, this video, very important to watch. So again, I do have in-person student hours from 1 to 3. on Monday, 9 to 11 on Wednesday, 11 to 1 on Thursday, but I am also available via appointment. So if these do not fit your needs, I am more than happy to make a separate appointment with you and we can meet either in person or via Zoom. I hope you guys all have a great week. Please reach out with any questions or concerns.